Hello, my dear teachers and my friends. My name is Vismay from first standard D section. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk about my costume. I am Polly the Parrot. Pooh, pooh. People call me Gilly, Tota also. I am strong, I am intelligent, I am a social bird. Look at me, the woodcutter has cut my house. I will tell you why you have to think before you cut the tree. But parrots or any birds may keep their food chain in proportion. They also eat dangerous insects. It is up to us human beings to take care of furry, feathery friends to save our planet. Thank you.